So I know that these knives are really sharp, but can they pass the cutting paper test? We'll find that out in a second, but one thing I do know for sure is that dull knives really slow down the dinner prep process, and if you're anything like me, that is the last thing that I want. That's why having quality knives is so important. It just speeds up all of your chopping so the dinner can just go faster. That's why I was really excited about reviewing this knife set from Nakano. This is their Mito series, and I have been so impressed. They are incredibly sharp and really high-grade Japanese stainless steel. In my opinion, they're also beautiful. I absolutely love the wooden handle detail. In the set, you get a large bread knife and then 3 all-purpose knives, large, medium, and small. We've pretty much exclusively been using these knives in our kitchen for the last few weeks, and they work so incredibly well. As you can see here, they are able to slice extremely thin. But can they pass the cutting paper test? Oh my God, it sliced through no problem. That is so sharp. I don't know why you'd ever need to cut through paper, but if you did, you could do it with these knives. Let's see if the bread knife can do it because it's serrated. Oh my God. And they make a really great gift because they come in this lovely box that also includes this little leaflet that shows you exactly where in Japan these blades were made. These knives really have made life in the kitchen so much easier, which I'm always a fan of, and I am happy to be able to offer you a 20% discount with the code VINTAGEHIP. You can find the link in the description or the first comment, and I just know that you are going to love these knives as much as I do.